Through laziness, the building decays, and through idleness of hands, the house leaks. So you will have to use the force of diligence. Its naked name is hard work. You'll have to kill fear. There's a holy violence needed for this. This is not for the soft. And your business idea, you must know, it is not meant to die in your notebook. We can't allow that. And that's what this session is about today. God is the God who didn't just give you breath, He gave you creativity. And your creativity is your talent. This is your offer to the marketplace. This is your ideas. This is your ability to solve problems in the marketplace. It is not an optional thing for you to multiply it. This is your assignment. So how is it done? Well, flowing in spirit-led creativity is the manner of the kingdom entrepreneur. The way of the carnal man is filling his time. So the manner of doing it is flowing in spirit-led creativity, not just filling your time.